Welcome back to Tech Time with you guys. Today I have 2010 Nissan Versa SL, and I'm going to show you how to remove the throttle body on this car. Alright, let's go for it. Up the hood. There we go. Okay guys, what you're going to do next is you're going to remove the hose between the air intake and the throttle body. And there's two clamps here we want to loosen, and there's two screws. We're using the let me see, the 8mm socket and a ratchet with extension. Take out, loosen the clamp, so we take out the hose. You don't have to take it out completely, so just be sure it is. There you go. It's movable. Alright, that's one, and then there's another one on the other side and next to the throttle body. Alright, here's the clamp for the throttle body. The hose is connected to. So loosen that one also and remove it. Okay, that's it. It's loose. So want to loosen the straps. Just get a flathead. Try to loosen this a little bit. There you go. It's easier to move. There you go. Come out pretty nice. Also do the same thing. The one that connect to the throttle body. There you go. So next I want to remove this clamp right here, squeeze it, and pick it up. Put it up there for now. That's it. Then you remove this here. There you go. Part of the hose. Alright, this is already loosened. So once it's loose, just pull it apart. There you go. It's one side. And then do the other side for throttle body. Next, you wanna separate from the throttle body, so just wiggle around and just pull. There you go. Alright guys, well, it's a rough one. Basically, this is connected to the throttle body, then this is for the intake. And as you can see, you don't need to take the clamp out, just leave it there, just loosen it, and just pull. And this is the whole part of it. Alright, to remove the throttle body, you need this hose right here needs to get out, and then there's gonna be like four different screws. I believe it's 10mm. I'll have to double check that one. And that's what we do. separated, so that's what we need to do. And now we can go attack the manifold itself to open up the cover. Alright, I can see guys, there's another bolt right behind the hiding behind the throttle body. So that's what we're taking it out. It's the 10mm socket. Alright, that's what we're doing. Whoa, Tom there. It's much bigger. There you go. Alright, just what you want to do is just there's a clip here for the wire harness. It's a wire harness for the throttle body. Just have to push on the clip and just pull. Pretty strong, but okay. There you go. Alright, also there's two hoses here, and you gotta like loosen the clamp with the vice grip, and you gotta move the hose to take out the throttle body. That's good right there. This one kind of loose. Pop it out. That's one. And there's another one here. Use the vice grip. Go, and then just take out the, and here is the throttle body. Okay, this is the throttle body. So basically this is where the wire harness goes, and this is the two hoses, and that's what it looks like. I believe this is a motor in here. That's what the wire harness for, and once we can move to. Yeah, basically what I'm doing is going to clean this up a little bit too, to try to take out the debris, so it should work better. Alright guys, I just want to show you real quick. This is where the bolt goes, which is this attach the throttle body to the manifold itself, and you can see this corner right here is the hard one that we took out. It was hiding, so you gotta feel it. You can't really it's gotta feel basically to get the bolt out. You can't see it, so you gotta use the 10mm and just get it out. You gotta feel with your fingers, and that's how you do it. This for this one, so you can see it, and also like the all the other stuff is in its way. So that's why we just like very hard to take out this one. Alright, once you take out the throttle body, I just want to clean it a little bit before I put it back in or replace it. But for me, it's just need to clean it up a little bit. So I'll get the debris out from there, and I'm using the throttle body and air intake cleaner only. Please make sure you have a throttle body on it. You don't want to use anything else, so just spray it and clean it up. Okay, that side. Let's go to the other side real quick. I can see there's a lot of gunk in here. There you go. Getting clean. Okay, one spray it. Look at that. Nice and clean. This is a 2010 car, so it's a lot of debris in here. Old car. Want it nice and clean. Using the throttle body cleaner. As you can see, let's do a finishing touch. Put like a lot of debris out here already, like nice and clean. And do one side here, and then the other side, just spray it quick white. You can see like nice and like a new throttle body right here. So you got out the debris, and that's all you need to do. Also, to reinstall this, basically you want to put the four bolt back in and connect your hoses and put in the wire harness back, and you are good to go. That's how you either replace the throttle body or clean the throttle body. Okay, this is how you do it.
So you take care. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T, and you have a good day.